Hi students, welcome to this class. This class is all about how do you show the data in the visualization form in the Python. Before showing that entire concept of visualization, let me say briefly what is exactly data visualization. Simple is a graphical representation of information as well as the data is. And there are various visual elements are available through figures. It is possible you can show the visualization, charts, graphs, maps, and many are available. And data visualization tools provide a way to present these figures, what are the figures are there, to show the data in the figure form as well as in the graph form, and is essential to analyze a massive amount of information and make the data driven decisions. Once we have shown the data in the graph form, it is possible we can take the decisions very faster as compared to the data which is there in the tabular form. And if the data have been shown in the visual form, decision can be taken very faster, and we can convert complex data into the easy to understand representations are. And what is the package in the Python that supports this data visualization is? That is matplotlib, and is the most powerful tool for data visualization in Python, created in the year of 2002. And it's very powerful two-dimensional plotting library supports, and easy to use and provides a huge number of examples for tackling unique problems. In order to get matplotlib into your script, just import it. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So PLT is the alias that you are using it in the Python, so that it is possible to use the all the functions which have been provided in the this particular libraries. And most of the times, if you use Google Colab, we can directly type it, you can start working. Otherwise, if you want to work on your PC, just you need to import pip install matplotlib, and you must see that its internet connection is available, and automatically it loads and you can start working on that. And this is similar to the MATLAB. MATLAB also we have the package available. It works like almost like this. And pyplot is a collection of command style function that makes matplotlib work like a MATLAB. And changes to the figure. Each pyplots function makes some changes to the figure. Example, we can create a figure. We can plot the area in the figure, plot some lines in the plotting area, and you can decorate the plot with labels, colors are possible. So various states are preserved across function calls. That also explanations we give with the examples. Whenever you plot the matplotlib, two main lines of code very much required. First, you need to tell exactly what type of graph you want to use it, and also we need to show the graph. So the two most important things are required. As I said, that you can create plots, histograms, power spectra, bar charts, error charts, scatter plots. Example, you can see if you are learning first time, you can see the entire things are. This is the first graph. It's just example showing, and this is histogram. This is bar chart. Not only bar chart, you can show it in the. We can also show it in horizontal form also. Right now, we are showing in the vertical form, and horizontal bar chart also possible here. And this is the customizations. Many customizations supportings are there. Two lines on same graph, and scatter plot, and you can see line graphs also. Two charts in one graph, also possibility is there. Let's start our journeys. So this is a line graph. You can see examples, the values you can see that are plotted here: 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3. Some values have been 3 9 like this. You can see that. So what is this is? This is a simple one, the squares of the numbers: 1 1 2 4 3 9 4 16 and 5 and 25. 0 to 5 x-axis values and 0 to 25 are y-axis values. So how do you tell this is the output I want to get, and I want writing a program using the Python. As I said, we need matplotlib.pyplot as the PLT. So PLT has come the alias. And what are the x values are? 0 1 2 3 4 5. We said 0 1 2 3 4 x values, and y values are like this we have mentioned. It's the first program, so we are not using any functions there, square functions, just we have mentioned both x values and y values. So once we define the values, we need to plot it. So PLT the alias we said na, PLT dot plot x values and y values. So everything is ready, we need to show it. So plt dot show, it shows that one. So this is a program. If you work, it works very conveniently in the Python as well as Google Colab. You can use it. Now you see that here now labels. I want to get labels now. So previous one didn't get any labels now. X-axis labels, Y-axis labels. There are not. It's not there. We'll create some labels there. So to get the labels, you can say that plt dot y label is equal to some numbers. You can mention it some numbers. Can I mention X labels also? Yeah, you can mention X labels also. Not only Y, you can also mention the X label, plt dot X label. You can mention it. That automatically comes out here. Single list of array, the for command, the maplet assumes it is a sequence of Y values, automatically generates X values. Now you can ask the question. In this one, there are no X values, only Y values have been shown. So can if I, how to take that one? So X values automatically takes X values, not a problem. And Y values, you have mentioned it. Okay. Then what do you have text is? Text is a function can be used. Add text, X label, Y label, title, clear, save figures, and legend. So say legend of the plot is. So these are functions are built in the pyplot is. Now see that y1 values, y2 values, x values range minus 100 comma 100 and 10. So what is the range is an array. X is an array. So minus starts from minus 100 to 100 and increment is 10 value by 10, 10, 10 like that. Okay, up to 100. So around, so how many values comes out here now? 12 values comes out. And for x in x, y1 dot append I square 2 and here also minus I square 2, y2 dot append. Plot x comma y1 and plot x comma y2, x label x, y label y, and this is called y limit minus 2000 to 2000, horizontal line, vertical line, and save the figure. Okay, quad dot png, a figure also comes out, and show it. Incrementally modify the figures, save figure to a file. Entire data can be saved into figure and show it on the screen. Very useful program.